Okay, so we're gonna talk about something called it's a technique and it's a way of life. It's called the regenerative breath. Um, I learned about it long ago through teachings, but also just to give some sources. You can also find it in this book called Curiosity That Wants You to Know About by Kevin Trudeau. And there's also another book called Thinking and Destiny, which is a phenomenal book. Um, Very deep, but read it when you're ready, and it's by Aaron Percival. But anyways, the regenerative breath. Now, there are other breathing techniques that can do different things for the body, like hardening your bones or telekinesis or anything like that. But this, the regenerative breath, is basically what its name says. It regenerates the body from sickness and ailment. Now, mind you, there are other factors that come into place as well as spiritual cleansing and also diet. That all kind of comes to play together hand in hand, in a sense. Right, but anyways, so naturally, the way we breathe is only half, or probably even less than that. It has to be a constant motion of full internal breathing through the nose completely, not the mouth. All the way in with the nose, and exhale all the way out through the nose, squeezing your abdomen to release all the air. But you breathe from your diaphragm, not your belly. So, for example, now if you were to do that repetitively, it will expand your lungs, literally. You feel a tightening in your chest through time. But as you constantly do this, it literally repairs and rejuvenates the cells in your body, even the dead ones. And by doing so, it's basically using the resources around you. So as opposed to like eating or drinking substance, you're breathing it in. You're breathing all those molecules and atoms into the body fully, and you're exhaling them. And really, this technique really can preserve you, like without even, needing food. So, but that's once you mastered it. But yeah, I just want to just share that quick thing, to show there's always multiple ways of healing, and I think this is one of those things, knowledge that people need to have in preserving themselves and just spreading the truth and wisdom about things. They always try to keep everyone down and under control, but it's so much more to life. The life expectancy is supposed to be so much more than what it is, so it's really limitless potential for all of us, but we just have to be aware, be intentional about it. So, alright, y'all, stay blessed, take care, take this in. Peace.